everybody, it's me Larissa. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about makeup. I recently uploaded my brother's wedding vlog and you guys loved the Sangeet makeup, the reception makeup. So I thought I'll just quickly do a video for you guys explaining about all the products that I use, about my technique. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So okay, let's begin. First, moisturized my face. Made it a little moist. All the details of the products will be in the description. Then we move on to foundation. It's been so long since I did a makeup video and I have never done like a chatty makeup video, so maybe this will be the first, and then you guys can tell me if you liked this one and then we can make more. Okay, so after you have your foundation on, I am going to do my eyebrow. I'm also using a different camera. I'm using my vlogging camera because I don't have my equipment. But this camera is like great, so it should be fine. Now we move on to the eyes. I literally did this in like a minute, both of it. I'm using the shade Kinky. It's like a shimmery pink. It's a shimmery pink, so it's great. It has such good pigmentation. Look at that. I love Huda Beauty palettes. They're amazing and worth every penny. So I literally just put Kinky, the pink, shimmery pink on my eyelids, and then I put like a golden inside my, like on the inner eyes and on the bottom, like up to here as well. You're actually supposed to do the golden the gold first and then the pink, because that makes more sense since that's a lighter color. But I mean, whatever floats your boat. So here's like a quick tip. Whenever you want to go all glam with your eyes especially, you put a nice gold or like a yellow on your inner eyes. So I think that just like suddenly lifts your eyes up and then adds that whole glam to your look. Okay, now there's eyeshadow getting into my eyes. Anyway, this is literally what I did to my eyelids. It's just pink and gold, but then it's the lashes that does the trick. So let's move on to that. But before that, what I also did is I added like a darker shade right here, and that helps as well. So I mixed like a purple with the shade on top. I don't really wear kajal or anything that's super dark, so I usually do this. Well, blending is key, so in case you have messed up any section, just blend it. So here's a better view with better lighting. And after this, I just went on with a little bit of eyeliner, like just tight lining above on your eyelids, because otherwise it just looks super dull. That's it, like nothing more. It's not even a winged eyeliner, but you can go ahead and do a winged eyeliner if you want, but I think that just looks a little too much when you have so much happening already. I'm just gonna add like a layer of mascara because we're gonna add lashes as well. Yeah, that's it. That's it, like that's it, not more. So I think I'm gonna leave the lashes for the end. I'm first going to complete the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blush that face a little. Blush is, I think, so important. I personally cannot leave the house without blushing my face. Like, what about you guys? What's that one thing, that one makeup item that you cannot leave your house without? Yeah, apply your blush on your nose. It looks cute. I think it's like a new trend also. Like, everybody's doing it. But I used to like always do it. I used to do it since I was a kid. I mean, whenever my mom applied makeup on me, she would also put it on my nose, like the blush on my nose. Yeah, my mom did apply makeup on me. Anyway, so this is what you look like with the blush. I used a peach tone for the blush, and that is what makes the difference, because this is pink already, so you don't go with like a lot of pink. Moving on, we do some highlight. I have been obsessing over the Dior highlight. What the hell? So I've been obsessing over the Dior Backstage Glow face palette. It's great. I mean, I'm sure there are like alternatives for this, but I specifically love the bronze shade. I put it like on my nose, and then it gives you a very like sun-kissed kind of highlight. Not like everywhere else. For everywhere else, I use the lighter shade. But like on my nose, look at that. I think it looks good. Wow. I think the highlight is such an essential part. You know, very honestly, I do not want to wear lashes at the moment because I think my lashes look good enough. What do you think? But I'll do it to make the look complete. Okay, so now that we have my face highlighted, moving on to the lipstick. This one's my favorite nude lipstick. It's the Nykaa and Masaba collection. This is Nimbu Pani, and it's almost over, but I love the shade. I hope it's not like a... So blinded by the lipstick, I forgot what I had to say. I hope it's not like a collection that doesn't... What is that called when there's a collection that's launched and then it never comes back? Limited edition! Oh god, what's wrong with me? Okay, so this is what the look looks like. Yeah, I think the highlight and golden part in my inner eyes... Sorry, I'm such a makeup term rookie, but whatever. I think this part and the highlight does work. And I think this qualifies for a nice day makeup, and it also qualifies for a nice sunset evening look as well. So let's go on with the eyelashes. Okay, so I'm using the Huda Beauty lashes because I think the base is super thick and it's so easy to apply these. Like, I used to be such a loser when applying lashes. I think these are the best if you're a beginner. Like, look at me applying it with just one hand and even talking at the same time. Okay, I made a mistake here. Oops. Okay, this is good. So if you're like a beginner, then these lashes are really good. I will also put in an alternative for lashes that are not as expensive as these, because this can be quite pricey, and that also have like a thick band. Yes, but you see this part, it looks like it's empty because the lashes end here. So maybe like add a little eyeliner. Let me do that later. But this is what one eye looks like, and let's do the other eye. So this is what my makeup looks like. The lashes could be a little too much for your taste. It's actually a little too much for my taste as well, but it's all right. It was my brother's wedding, so I did it. But yeah, this is the whole thing. The lashes do give a very dreamy effect, and I personally like it. So this is about it. This is about the whole makeup look. It was so quick. I did it in like 20 minutes, and this recording this video has taken me longer. Anyway guys, I hope you like the video. And this is my final look with the jhumkas and a little traditional going on. I don't have the exact dress that I wore at the Sangeet, so I'm just wearing a little dupatta. I hope you like it.